InsecureWeb.com offers a range of features designed to secure your online presence. But before making the decision to buy, there are 7 critical things you need to know. In this video, I'll take you through everything you should consider before investing in this software, comparing it to other similar tools in the market. First, InsecureWeb.com offers a strong focus on website security. Many tools out there like SiteLock or Sucuri promise similar protection, but InsecureWeb.com stands out by providing advanced monitoring tools and automated updates that keep your site safe from the latest threats. It's one of the easiest platforms to set up, with minimal technical knowledge required, making it a top choice for beginners. But if you're a more advanced user, you may find it lacks some of the deeper customization options that competitors like Sucuri offer. Next thing to know is its pricing structure. While you can try InsecureWeb.com for free using the link in the description below, once you move to the paid version, you'll find that their pricing is competitive, especially for smaller websites. It's affordable compared to other security platforms like WordFence, but that doesn't mean it's the cheapest. You'll need to assess whether the value you're getting in terms of ease of use and service makes the cost worth it for your business. Now, let's talk about the speed and performance of your website. A major concern when using any security tool is how it impacts your site's load time. InsecureWeb.com has made strides to ensure that its security features don't slow you down. With automatic optimizations in place, your website will maintain its speed even while being protected. This is something you won't always get with other services, as some can dramatically decrease your site's performance. The fourth thing is the customer support. InsecureWeb.com offers 24/7 customer service, which is a major plus, especially when you're dealing with website security. Whether you're experiencing issues with malware or need help understanding the security dashboard, the team is responsive and helpful. While companies like SiteLock offer similar support, InsecureWeb.com's team tends to be quicker to respond and more personalized, which could save you a lot of frustration down the road. Next, if you're considering how well this integrates with other software, InsecureWeb.com has you covered. It works seamlessly with most CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Shopify. For users of other platforms, integration may require a little more setup. But compared to other services like Cloudflare, InsecureWeb.com offers easier installation processes, which is ideal for people with minimal technical knowledge. The sixth thing you need to know is their unique dashboard. It's simple, yet powerful. Unlike competitors that often overwhelm you with information, InsecureWeb.com's dashboard is easy to navigate. You'll find real-time security reports, alerts, and suggestions for improvement. For anyone looking to keep things simple without sacrificing protection, this is a huge plus. And finally, InsecureWeb.com's unique selling point, its additional features for proactive security. While many competitors focus on reacting to threats, InsecureWeb.com goes a step further by actively scanning for vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. This proactive approach, coupled with the ability to get reports on the go, gives you peace of mind and makes this platform a step ahead of the competition in terms of future-proofing your site. If you're still unsure, I recommend trying InsecureWeb.com for yourself. You can access their free trial through the first link in the description below and get a hands-on feel for its features, including some exclusive benefits that come with using the link. So if you're ready to improve your website's security with InsecureWeb.com, click that first link in the description to grab your free trial and see the benefits for yourself.